Well, it was actually a pretty big project. We're looking for a 20-foot deck coming out from the doors of the kitchen, right, running across about 12 feet and then just jetting back in towards the bedroom. Brought Rob and his team in from Twin Peaks. Didn't take us too long, actually, for the two of us to connect on what we really wanted, and Rob and his team were at it the following week, just giving us what we wanted in the backyard. The deck provided us a covered area downstairs, which let us put in a little extra living space and put in the hot tub as well, which has been a big addition for the home. They obviously had the dimensions of the hot tub I wanted, so they built the staircase to make sure that the hot tub could comfortably get down the staircase, built a pad to accommodate the hot tub, gave us a lot of input on the wiring that we were going to need. Targeted middle of June start date, so Rob and his team got working kind of second week in June. And they were pretty much finished 30 days after that. So, we were hoping to get used to the deck through, for at least the back half of summer. And, everything was done first week in August. So we were able to enjoy a good portion of the summer, and, it's made a big difference. Well, you hear a lot of things from different friends and such. And the two things I heard was, it's not going to be done on time, and you're probably going to get, project's going to get halted halfway through, and you're going to hear about a lot of extra costs. With Twin Peaks, that just didn't happen. Rob not only hit the exact timelines that we were looking for, but also, we were quoted a number, and that's exactly what we ended up paying for the finished project. And, we did a couple of walkthroughs at the end just to make sure that, I was satisfied. And obviously there's always a couple little things at the end, but him and his team were back, next day or shortly after just to make sure that stuff was cleaned up to my satisfaction. And, we finished the project, on great terms, which, I think is a lot different than I've heard from a lot of other people in their experiences. It's very easy to get a hold of. We were in constant communication, and the other thing was I'm not an expert when it comes to these things, so I'm obviously looking for a lot of guidance and expertise working through the project. And he answered all my questions. I'd highly recommend Rob and his team. They delivered on the big things that I was looking for, and that was over-delivering on the project, doing it on the right timelines, and they did it for the price they said they were going to deliver for. So all in all, I am pretty happy with the experience.